Yeah, she's Georgian, but her hips Brazilian.
She talking Cypriot, but her car's Brazilian.
Cool girl, crazy hot girl for sure.
Today I'm reviewing one of my infield approaches. I'm talking to this beautiful, sexy, curvy dancer girl here. Before we go into the actual breakdown, some context. This happened during an experiment where I approached 100 women within 5 days. I basically wanted to answer the question, what's possible with cold approach in 2025? Is it still a good way of meeting women? Do women still want to be approached? Can I actually overcome my own approach anxiety that often in that experiment? Can I secure dates? And can I find a girlfriend-worthy woman during this period? I'm actually revealing the results this Sunday on a live webinar. It's totally free, you can sign up now. And not only will I show you exactly the results, because I tracked each approach in a spreadsheet, I'll also tell you everything I learned about seduction and dating and relationships over the last couple of years. So I'm gonna compare different ways of meeting women, of course, online dating, going to social events, having a social circle, and cold approach, and discuss the pros and cons. I'm also going really deep into things like inner game, how to overcome approach anxiety, and then once you do the actual approach, what to do, what to say, what is a good opener, what is a good way of stopping girls, and much more. It's limited to 100 spots, so reserve your spot right here down below. Click the link now. And that's it. Excited to show you what happens when you approach 100 girls within 5 days. Without further ado, let's jump into this interaction.
Hello.
Hey.
Wow. You make impression already far away,
Thank
the
you
way
so
you
much.
walk. But you're not Polish.
I'm not Polish, no. Not
Where are you
at all.
from?
Georgia.
Georgia.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
No Brazil, no Colombia.
Yeah.
Georgia. I know.
It must be a lot of people telling you look Brazilian.
Every day, every single day.
Wow.
Yeah.
It annoys you.
Huh?
It's annoying you or just funny?
Like as long as they don't disturb me, bother me, I'm fine.
Okay.
Yeah, they can stop and ask me where am I from. That's it.
Ah.
Yeah.
The interesting thing about this approach is the way I approach is not like a lot of pickup guys do from the back. You know, they run and they like do this hand movement and then trying to get in front or stand next to it. I was very spontaneous. If you kind of like roll it back, I'm approaching from the front. And in my eyes, the energy I had was like, wow. Like it's almost like urgency combined with amazement. And there was no gamey part about this. I was genuinely seeing her 20 meters away because she was like, she's a dancer. She has wide hips, she's sexy, she has energy. And I let her know that, unfiltered, right? And she straight away got it. So there was a lot of sub-communication happening, even in that first second of eye contact. And she, as you can see, the open person she is, she appreciated that spontaneity of me, right? And straight up, she opened up. So when it comes to kind of like my form of game, I'm not trying to be a pickup artist. I'm not trying to be fake. I don't have routines. To be honest, I'm telling you a secret here. I don't even know what I'm gonna say the moment she stops. It just flows for me. Now, have I done thousands of approaches and I can basically rely on my intuition at this point? Yes. Can you do that? Probably not yet. So it is good to have some structure. But the point I want to make here is don't let the structure make your approach be rigid. Don't wear a mask. Don't repeat the same opener over and over. If the opener is, wow, you stand out from far away because she stood out from far away, then let that be the fucking opener and let go of the whole, hey, I saw you and I wanted to tell you, you look cute and da-da-da. Like, girls are sick of that type of opener, right? The more authentic you can be, the more she will appreciate it.
Why are you in Warsaw?
I'm working here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Like permanent?
For now, yes, I do work here. So let's see what's gonna happen next.
I always wanted to go Georgia.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
you're welcome.
Beautiful country.
It is.
Skiing, nature, lakes, very nice.
All over the country is like a mountain.
Yeah. Okay, I'm from Austria, so
Really?
also mountains. So maybe I would feel like home.
I've studied German language.
Sprichst Deutsch?
Ich spreche Deutsch, no, I
That's good.
yeah.
Wie ist dein Name? Alex, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You're a very sweet person,
Thank you so much.
and you make quite the impression.
Thank
So
you so much.
I had
You're
to. Yeah, I'm moving here now. I'm looking for apartment.
I
Yes.
wish you luck here.
Maybe we hang out.
Sure, why not?
Why not?
Why not?
If
Yeah.
you don't have boyfriend, you're gonna get
No,
jealous.
if I have a boyfriend, I will not have been
That's
someone,
good.
from
Good
the
Georgian values. Yes.
moralities.
Yes. Well, you have WhatsApp.
Yeah, sure, I have.
Nothing flashy here. Again, I kind of reconfirm that she's sexy to me. I say, you make quite the impression. And notice also how stable I am here. I'm not fidgeting, I'm not moving around, I'm grounded as I say it. So there's strength in me giving that validation. I'm not coming off needy. I tell her, hey, maybe we hang out. And she straight up was like, sure, why not, right? So it's kind of crazy how easy it can be once you have that strong, masculine, relaxed frame. You can let go of the gamey stuff, you can let go of the push and pull, all that stuff that maybe was taught 10 plus years ago, if you come off as basically being okay with yourself. How to get to that point, you know, being okay with yourself is obviously kind of the $1 million question or the 1,000 approach question. I'm answering this in the webinar on Sunday, so again, register below. But as you can see, it really doesn't have to be flashy or fancy in any way. And she's super open to meeting. So let's see what happens in the end here.
I have Instagram, WhatsApp.
You do dancing, or it's just style?
I do Brazilian Zouk.
That. What is that?
It's a Zouk dance.
Wow. So in this way, you are a bit Brazilian.
In deep soul, yes. You have Polish number?
I have Austrian number. In WhatsApp, I have still Austrian number. I never lost it.
Okay.
Wow, you have all the numbers in there, almost. Okay, dear.
Have a good day.
You have cool evening plan. Nice to meet you. I'll text
Have
you.
a blessed day.
It's like business.
Yeah.
$1 million.
Business.
Yes. No, we do.
If you are going to hang out together, so we have to deal
We have a deal. Yeah, we have a deal to not meet for business, but for dates.
for it. Yeah. Have a good day.
You do it. Bye.
And that's it. Not a flashy approach, but direct and grounded. Only 2 minutes, 40 seconds. I stated clearly why I want to talk to her. We exchanged a little bit of information. We talked about logistics, that we're both here in the city. And I reconfirmed that I want to meet her on a date, basically, not a business meeting, making that joke with the handshake in the end.
$1 million.
Business.
Yes.
And that's it. That's how it can work, right? There's obviously some interactions that I'm posting on this channel that take much longer, or we interact more, or I'm trying to go take her on an instant date. But sometimes it can be really this simple. Yeah, that's it. I wanted to show you that. So if you're inspired and you want to know, hey, how can I get to a point like that, Alex, where it is that easy, you just see a girl and you act, right? Because that's what happened. I saw her, I acted. I didn't let her walk past, I didn't hesitate. It was super, super spontaneous in the moment. Everything I said was, made up in that moment. I didn't even expect to approach a girl. My cameraman, as you see, he wasn't even in the right position. He had to position himself after. So if you want to get to that level of spontaneity, click below, register for the webinar. I will reveal the secrets to overcoming approach anxiety. And once more, I'll want to share with you what's actually possible when you reach a solid level at this. I know the beginning can be hard. Your first few approaches can be cringe, can be tough. You question if any of this works. You maybe see YouTube videos, it doesn't flow that way when you do approaches. So I'll show you what's actually possible in a 5-day period doing 100 approaches, which is obviously an intense amount, right? I'm asking my students to do about 10, 15 a week. So I really pushed it to kind of prove a point there. So yeah, if you wanna see me reveal the results, click below. Take your spot, it's free, it's happening this Sunday, it's going live, it's not pre-recorded. So once it's over, it's over. And I'll stay online for you as well after the presentation to answer any questions you might have for me. So I'm excited for that one. Thanks for watching and register now. And other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.
Smooth. I just directly asked, hey, let's hang out. She was like, yeah. So, but yeah, she was open to meet. And she was very sexy. From Georgia, not from Brazil. She looked Brazilian. Cool girl. Not really my type, but crazy hot girl for sure. But text her right away.
What are you texting her?
The waving emoji.